Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power, unplug the Dynatrap or switch off the breaker, and verify with a tester. Wear gloves to keep the bulb free of oils. Get the correct replacement bulb by model number, not guesswork. Once done, move the trap to a stable surface on a towel so screws and small parts won't roll away. Remove the outer cover or clips now. You're ready to access the bulb assembly. This immediate action prevents damage and keeps you safe. You'll now remove the bulb assembly. Unscrew the retaining fasteners methodically and set them aside in sequence. Gently pull the old bulb from its socket, noting orientation and wiring if visible, because reinstallation follows the same alignment. Insert the new bulb straight into the socket and press until it seats firmly. Do not force or cross-thread. Make sure any rubber gasket or seal returns to its exact position, because a misplaced seal can cause water or insect ingress and reduce performance. Once the bulb is seated, reattach the cover and tighten screws evenly so nothing binds. Do not over-tighten plastic parts. Restore power and watch the unit for 2 to 3 minutes. The bulb should light, the fan should run, and any UV indicator should show normal function. If the bulb fails to light, cut power and check the fuse or circuit, inspect the socket for corrosion, and confirm the replacement matches the required wattage and type. A common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.